Hi all and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to use the deburring tool to give smoothened edges to your resin artworks. So here is a lotus tea light mold and it has some resin artwork that I did in it. So let's quickly demold it first. So this is a very useful tool which you can use for your coasters, trays and for any other resin items as well to give it a nice finished smoothened borders. So I just demolded this nice lotus tea light and you can already see that on the back side of it there is a lot of sharpness. There are sharp borders and this is something that needs to be taken care of, and we are going to use the deburring tool for this. So the deburring tool is something I got it from the DIYlane.com, and it is a very useful tool and it is a must have for every resin artist, because if you make coasters, trays or tea lights or anything, you're bound to get these sharpened borders. So here you can see I'm holding the deburring tool in a palm grasp with the blade facing towards me, and I'm just trying to kind of peel off, or you can say scrape off, the sharpened edges or whatever is it's not even. So there are two reasons why you need to fix this. Number one, it doesn't give a very nice look to it's not doesn't look finished, and number two, since it is sharp, when you hold it you'll feel uneven and it doesn't give you a nice feel when you're holding your artwork. So like this, I'm just rotating my entire artwork and now you can see I have almost managed to go through one entire one entire round of deburring, and now again I'm going to do that because I still feel there is some slight sharpness around. And now you can see for yourself how it looks all fine and all properly finished, and it gives you a nice feel when you hold this beautiful piece of art in your hands. So after this is done, I made this artwork in my online class and now I'm just going to light it, and yeah, it looks good. So I hope this video was useful for all of my students as well as for fellow resin artists. In case of any doubts, please comment down below and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.